Alright, welcome back to another video. So in this video, Flynn and I, we're going to head up to Eurimbula Creek, just north of 1770. And we've heard it's really good fishing up there. Not a lot of people get up there because it's a good full drive track in. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you like this video because we've got a few more remote trips coming up soon. But yeah, let's roll it.
I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins.
Heading down to the water to throw the boat in for the first session down at Eurimbula. Hopefully we get a few good jacks. Let's go.
All the lights call my life. Doctor, will you help me? Get me healthy, keep the loads for healthy. Ain't shit you can tell me now. Fuck this rap shit, people selling out. Ooh shit, my new bitch, you jealous now. Smoking weed at the crib, watch your belly now. All the pain that they causing, like fucking we ballin' out, everything straight. I'm feeling, I'm chillin', just living, I'm getting away. Conversations we having, I'm getting too static, too much on my plate. Lord, I need me a break. Let me go by the weekend. Yeah, I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah, everything good by the weekend. Yeah, everything will be good by the weekend. By the weekend. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. Like fuck it. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. It's a weekend. We going out tonight. It's a weekend. I've been having trouble battling these demons, wondering what's the thing that keeps me breathing. Is it money, fame, or need? I can think about the places that are frequent, the people that I see. Inside of living decent. What do it mean to
Did you
be
see that?
Yeah.
I just looked up. It was a long top. Yeah, he's still following. No, I'm not. He dropped it. He dropped it. Oh, I got it all on video. He jumped. I got him on that log. I got him on the log. Oh, he was freaking massive. No.
Lipstick junkie debunked the all-in-one. She came back wearing a smile, looking like someone drugged me that one.
Keep away from the anchor. Let's shovel those.
You got the wrong girl, but not for long, girl. It's in the sound, girl. 'Cause I've been gone, girl.
Just picked up this nice little lizard. Glenn's over there trying to chase them. But yeah.
I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross-chops in my mind. On my own, here we go. My eyes feel like they're gonna bleed. Right up and bulging out my skull. My mouth's dry. My face is numb. Fucked up and spun out in my room. On my own, here we go. Set on overdrive. The clock is laughing in my face. Crooked spine.
And it begins. No gimbal as well.
That's the point of delirium.
Ryan's hooked up to something pretty big. What do you reckon?
Sharp.
We'll keep you guys in.
My eyes feel like
Keep you guys updated with how we go. But yeah, might be a long one here.
right up and bulging out my skull. My mouth is dry. Face is numb. Fucked up and spun
Yep.
out
Right,
in my
just got the first bull shark of the trip. Oh, not a bull shark.
That's a bronze whaler.
Little bronzy. How long have we been down here? Probably half an hour at most.
Half an hour.
And the rod just went off.
I reckon we'll get that.
Glenn, can you pass me the line?
I reckon I'll get it.
Going back in the water. We're going to put another. We've got 2 more baits to put out for it.
There he goes.
Phew! No, slowly, slowly. Build up, build up. Hey, Flynn.
So big.
Don't.
Massive. That's me. No.
We're,
No, you're still there. That's massive. No, that's massive. I can't even move that.
you right?
This is gonna be a long one.
I think this could be a long one. Put your hand up high. Put your left hand.
This is massive.
No, don't do much more, I reckon. Put your left hand up as high as you can go. Yep.
Want my light on?
Yeah, your light's on.
No, but you want mine on.
Yeah, leave yours on.
No way. This is massive.
Right, I'm just going to put my beer down.
Yeah.
What was that, Flynn?
If this is a ray, I'm gonna cry.
This would be your first proper shark.
Yeah. Back to orange. Probably another 120, I reckon.
I'd almost say so.
Hey?
I'd say so. You're only halfway on the school.
Yeah.
Still a fair way out, guys.
He's tired, but
Don't know, Flynn. I reckon as soon as we get him in close again, he's going to go. You're tired too.
no, I'm not tired. Don't have a gimbal.
Yeah, this idiot decided to leave the gimbal up at camp. We're not going back for it. Or was it a big groper? Trying to regain some quick line. Yep, that'll do, Wedge. Let's go. Put the herd on him.
He doesn't like that. He does not like that.
Don't go back. Just stay here.
You know, I have to, because I had a little bit of slack there. 11.
Oh, please.
Bull shark.
Go, lemon.
No, that's a bully.
Go for lemon.
He's not fine.
Flies.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Grab his head. Put pressure on his head. Yeah. Stay there. Go down. Flynn's just got his first good shark. What is it, Wedgie?
I think it's a lemon, but not too sure. But yeah, bloody beautiful.
You have to drag your tail in first. Every shark gets released nicely. So anyone reckons that there's no sharks in the waters? Guess what? That's now number 2 for the night. Unfortunately, we're out of bait. Telling you a lot of. And Flynn's just got a decent decent lemon shark.
Yeah.
Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. 'Cause I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a
So
million.
we've just discovered that this leaf spring's broken. It goes up here, we just went back. And a bit of bush mechanic, we're going to heap of zippy tyres, and then we're going to put a heap of ratchet straps around it just to get us home, around that hole just till we get home. And then we're going to have to get a new one, unfortunately. Bit of a bush mechanic fix, zippy tyres, holding the thing together hopefully. There is a fair few zippy tyres on there. We're going to be checking it a fair bit.
And talk it up like yeah. And talk it up like yeah. It looks alright in the pictures. Getting caught out for the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart.
Packed up and we're about to head out. So I think the Eurimbula's really taken its toll. Just noticed it as we got in. Didn't even see it on the road or anything. How bad it was. Just pulled it off. The bearings are gone. Part of it. Alright guys, well that was a mission and a half. Snapping the leaf spring on the trailer, then we blew the bearing on the way out. We actually turned into my street, or just around the corner from my place, and saw the whole bearing go. So radiated Flynn, letting him know, come in easy. Got all those sharks, and it was a great trip. We'll be definitely heading back up to Eurimbula. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell your friends. Let's share that. Flynn and I want to try and hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're getting there. We're almost there. Alrighty, catch you on the next one. See ya.